Happy Saturday morning. Happy Saturday with OKLO. We have featured it many times. We have featured the growth story. We have featured the nuclear. We featured the fact that buy now, pay later. You can be invested for very little amount of money. You don't have to have a stock account. You don't have to have a credit rating. You don't have to have any credit checks. You pay later when the stock pops. You had the opportunity to get into OKLO on several different occasions with several different broadcasts. It is a new growth story in town. There are higher highs coming. You're not into trade. You keep procrastinating. Get on the buy now, pay later program. Take advantage of all the features that are available to you today, right now, here today. Let's get signed up. Call 503 753 0062.